Hey guys, Matthew Letendre here. I'm just going to be part one of the compensation plan videos. I wanted to just talk to you about Power Lead System and the new compensation plan and tell you what has changed in Power Lead System. Basically, what they got rid of was the whole pass-up part of the compensation plan. So, in the past, it used to be for your first 10 members, you would have every other sale that you made, the commission would go up to your sponsor, the person who brought you in. Now they've gotten rid of all of the pass-ups, and that also includes the diamond level, the level where you make $100 commissions. So at the gold level and the diamond level, there's no more pass-ups. And so that is an awesome thing, because that means it will attract more people, and people will stay longer because they know that they're going to make a commission off of every sale. And the way it works in Power Lead System at the gold membership is when you bring someone in, they make a sale, they bring the person in, you get a $20 commission every month for as long as the person that you brought in uses the tools in Power Lead System. So that is really amazing, because now every time I make a diamond sale, I get $100 commission every time. And those $100 commissions are amazing, because just getting the $20 is pretty cool, but getting the $20 and the $100 commissions is pretty awesome. And so so that's essentially basically what the new compensation plan is all about. Now, you still get, on the gold membership, you still get a 50% matching bonus on your entire referrals pay line. So whatever they bring in, say they made $1,000 on their pay line, you get $500 at the end of the month, because it's a 50% matching bonus. And then with the diamond, all your referrals, you get the 25% matching bonus on their pay lines as well. So the awesome thing about Power Lead System, the commissions and the residuals don't stop just at the people you bring in. It goes through your referrals as well. So and then you also got the platinum and the MTI course. Those two courses are the $400 commissions and the $1,000 commissions. That has not changed in the Power Lead System compensation plan, but this is huge, guys, because I found I was bringing people into Power Lead System, and they weren't staying too long because maybe they didn't want to keep on passing up their commissions to their sponsor, or maybe they got sick and tired because they just couldn't do it. But now it gives them more incentive now, because they now make a sale. They make the $20 commissions every time they make the sales. So that's a cool thing. I'm actually going to do a full video presentation on my computer about the compensation plan. I'm also going to be bringing out some tutorials on how to make pages and stuff like that in Power Lead System. Recently, I'm using again my sponsor. He created a share code for Power Lead System. That's the thing that you're going to see in the description below when you click on the link. Basically, what a share code is I can make a whole page, a sales funnel, and then I can share it with my downline so they can use it as well. And my sponsor in Power Lead System has given us permission to be able to make a copy of the sales funnel and that way we can make edits to it. We can put our own videos in. There's the introductory page, or the capture page, that you're going to see when you click the link below. I've changed it a little, and I've added my own video, so that way I'm branding myself, and I'm not just branding my my sponsor. Now, it's okay, you can do that if you're brand new and you need something to bring in sales to Power Lead System. You can still do that. It's nothing wrong with it. But I like to brand myself, because people join people, and when you bring people in, you want them to see you as well. So I did that, and because he hasn't updated the video in a while, he still has the old compensation plan videos. I mean, the only thing that's really changed is that there are no more pass-ups. That's it. But what I did was, since I was able to change things a little bit, I did put a caption underneath the video that that says no more pass-ups on the gold and diamond level. You now get paid every time you make the sale. So I put that there as like a note, so you guys could so you guys would just know. Anyways, but I still want you guys to watch the video if you come in and you're new and you're watching this video, because he still has a lot of good advice on how Power Lead System works, and what the benefits of having Power Lead System is. So the compensation plan now has no more pass-ups. In 2019, I've heard that Power Lead System is going to be going through some changes and some updates. I'm really hoping that the point-and-click sales funnel creator is going to be going in soon. I mean, I know how to make pages and everything. I've been using Power Lead System a long time, but with that, it might actually make it easier for new people to make pages as well. So I'm really excited about that that part of Power Lead System. But like I said, I'm going to be putting a lot of new content out there, some tutorial videos on Power Lead System, and all the benefits of it. So compensation plan has no more pass-ups. If you are going to join, click the link below, and at the very minimum, I do suggest you do upgrades. If you're joining a business and they have these upgrades that have one-time payments, if you might as well go ahead and just make the payment, and you get the product, and you also get the benefit of making higher commissions, because I only paid it was $147 one time, and I've already made my money back multiple times with diamond commissions and all kinds of stuff like that. And because the reason why I did it was because I didn't want to just make $20 commissions. I wanted to make the $20 commissions and the diamond commissions, and also the residuals from both gold and diamond. So for those of you guys who are new, I am actually going to make, like I said, I'm going to make a video presentation from my computer where I actually share my screen with you, and I go through the whole compensation plan. So I'm really excited about Power Lead System, and this new year, I did tell you that I'm still looking into a front-end business for my whole entire online business. But for now, Power Lead System is my front-end business. So if you want to take a look at it, the link is in the description underneath this video. You'll see the subscribe button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell that pops up right next to it when you hit when you hit the subscribe button, because that way you'll be notified when I make new videos and new content. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Power lead system is now even better. You get paid faster because there's no more pass-ups, and you make commission for every sale. So I'll see you guys all in the next video, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.